Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how we can iterate over a tuple, and also we will discuss about two of the methods which tuple offers. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, how we can iterate over a tuple? It is quite straightforward, just like the lists. So I can do something like for fruit in fruits. Okay, and then I can just print the fruit. All right, quite straightforward. Okay, run the program. As you can see, we are getting apple, banana, cherry, cherry. All right, so this is how we can iterate over a tuple. We can use the for loops, we can use the while loops as well. Okay, I am not showing the while loops right now. All right, so this is the iterating over a tuple. Okay, now there are two different methods which tuple offers. One of them is the count method. Okay, so let's do something like this. So I will just comment out this one right now, and let's do something like fruits dot count. Okay, and here we will do something like this. So let's add a value, something like apple. Okay, and just like the list, it will give us the number of times the specified item is appearing inside of the tuple. Okay, run the program. All right, because we are not printing out this one, so what I'll do, I'll just cut that, print, paste it down here. Okay, not there. All right, so what I'll do, I'll just cut this one and paste it down here. All right, now run the program. We are getting 1. So if I do cherry, we are getting 2 here right now because cherry is here 2 times inside of this tuple. Okay, so this is the count method. Okay, and then we have the index method. Okay, so the index method finds the first occurrence of the specified value. Okay, so if the value is not found inside of the tuple, it will raise an exception or an error. Okay, all right, so what I can do, I can just comment out this one. So print once again, and let's do something like fruits dot index of something like, let's do apple. All right, run the program. We are getting 0. All right, let's do cherry. Run the program. We are getting 2, 0, 1, 2. It is returning the first occurrence. Okay, and now if I just do something like mango, run the program, as you can see, we are getting an error here. Tuple.index x not in the tuple. Okay, so all right, let's go with apple right now. So this is how the index function works. All right, one of the other things which I want to point out here inside of this video is the tuple slicing. It works just like the list slicing. So what I can do, I can do something like print. Okay, fruits of something like 0 colon something like 2. Run the program right now. As you can see, we are getting only apple and banana. Okay, so we can do something else as well. So if I just do, so let me just do something like that. Okay, so we can do something like 0 to 3 and add a step as well of 2. Run the program. We are getting apple and cherry right now. Okay, so the tuple slicing just work like the list slicing. Okay, so in this way, by using this exact syntax, you can slice up the tuples, and all of the things which we have learned in the list slicing applies to the tuples as well. Okay, so all right, this is how we can iterate over a tuple, and the count and the index method we have discussed in this video, and also the tuple slicing as well. Okay,